Hey everyone friends, today I'll show you what to do if liquid is detected in your iPhone. So there are ways to solve this problem. I'll position the phone like this. First you need to remove the case, because if you don't remove it, the water won't come out of your port. Next, try taking a cloth and making these motions to extract the larger water particles and also remove some dirt from the ports. There. If that didn't help, you can go to the App Store, download the Water Reject app, open it, and play sounds at different frequencies. So tap Water Reject and start the sound. Now there is a free version. Yeah, it costs almost nothing, but you can use the free version once, then just don't forget to go to the App Store and cancel the subscription. To do this, tap here, tap on your account, then go to subscriptions and cancel it there. If that didn't help, you can also try blowing it out with a fan, or if the problem persists and the liquid got in and won't come out, you'll need to take the phone to a specialist for repair. This was. Bye everyone.